you playing? Huh? Why don't you play some more? Show Grandma and Grandpa. What are you playing? See, I'm playing Mommy's piano. Now let's see some more. Ooh-wee. You gonna play some more? Huh? She's sitting up by herself at the piano, huh? And she's sitting on my lap, so I can't get farther away. Let's see some more playing. Oh, she's trying to get that hymn book. Hi, Maya. Maya, look over here. Hey. Hi, pretty. No more playing? Are you done? She gets camera shy, I think. What do you think? Are you getting tired? Ooh, there was a burp. Look at those little fingers. Okay, that's the end, little piano player. Say bye to Grandma and Grandpa. Bye.